Company layoffs end in gunfire right now at 5. We're learning more about a shooting that left 5 people dead. Plus,
did you bring tissue? I mean, what's the
I have it in my purse. Yeah. I have it in my purse. So don't make me start right now.
Tears, but they are the good kind. The reunion you won't want to miss. But
it could be a life or death situation.
yeah, we've got a warning about where you buy your prescription drugs. That's all coming up. 6 News at 5 starts now.
Now, from your local news leader, this is 6 News.
It's a decision that may be good for your wallet, but maybe not so good for your health. So bad, in fact, the FDA warns it could be a matter of life or death. Well, that got all of our attention today, and thanks for joining us at 5. I'm Jane Aldrich. The FDA only found 3% of online pharmacies are licensed and follow the law. Only 3%. Our Nick Perot sat down with a local pharmacist about the dangers.
This is a classic situation of buyer beware.
Whether you think your prescription isn't right or too expensive, Larry Wagenknecht says choosing to buy your prescription drugs here instead of here is a big risk.
There are so many medications that interact with other medications, further complicated by seeing more than one physician.
Wagenknecht represents pharmacists across the state and says roughly 97% of pharmacies online don't comply with FDA regulations, providing you, the consumer, with either counterfeit or poisonous medication.
The FDA did a study and came out of Brazil. The tablets looked the same color as here in the United States, but they were actually coated with lead paint.
And the FDA says if you still choose to purchase your products online, make sure they're certified by the FDA. In order to do that, we'll follow these simple tips. First, go to www.fda.gov/BeSafeRx. Click on the Know Your Pharmacy tab, select the region, and enter your information.
Good afternoon, pharmacist, may I help you?
But Wagenknecht says the best advice is to buy all your medications from one local pharmacy.
And the pharmacist has actually been trained and educated about how the medications work and what is the best medication to try to resolve a particular condition that a patient might have.
Instead of creating opportunity for error by buying the wrong medication in an effort to save a few measly dollars.
All right, we've got Nick Perot here right now with us to talk about this. For a lot of people watching right now, this has got to be pretty frightening to hear this information.
Well, Jane, it is frightening, but I spoke with the MPA who says that, if you do have online prescriptions, don't worry. It's not panic mode. They just want to make sure that it's something that you check out and make sure you know, most importantly, where your prescriptions are from.
Yeah, and that's the important thing. And people want to save money, so they're thinking online, better way to go that way, accepting that, obviously, as you just told us, can be pretty dangerous. We're here to help with that information as well. We posted that list of FDA-approved sites Nick's telling us about. Just go to WLNS.com. Well, this one to another big story tonight.